Hi, I'm Mark, and this is your daily English speaking practice. All you need to do is speak, repeat, and remember. Are you ready? Let's begin. Present simple tense. Repeat after me. She works from home. She works from home. I love this idea. I love this idea. They live near the beach. They live near the beach. He plays video games all night. He plays video games all night. The train leaves at noon. The train leaves at noon. My phone battery dies so fast. My phone battery dies so fast. We need to talk. We need to talk. He doesn't care about that. He doesn't care about that. She doesn't spend much money. She doesn't spend much money. He doesn't listen to me. He doesn't listen to me. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. They don't even try. They don't even try. Do you live here? Do you live here? Does she know the truth? Does she know the truth? What do you mean? What do you mean? Where does he work? Where does he work? Why do you say that? Why do you say that? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Does it look good on me? Does it look good on me? Using do and does for emphasis. Repeat after me. I do love you. I do love you. She does try her best. She does try her best. He does work hard. He does work hard. I do understand your situation. I do understand your situation. We do want to join you. We do want to join you. It does matter to me. It does matter to me. They do know each other. They do know each other. He does remember you. He does remember you. Adverbs of frequency. Repeat after me. She normally drives to work. She normally drives to work. I usually wake up early. I usually wake up early. He often changes his mind. He often changes his mind. Everyone sometimes makes mistakes. Everyone sometimes makes mistakes. We often eat out on Fridays. We often eat out on Fridays. He typically calls me in the evening. He typically calls me in the evening. I sometimes skip breakfast. I sometimes skip breakfast. They occasionally go out for dinner. They occasionally go out for dinner. We rarely do that. We rarely do that. He seldom complains about his job. He seldom complains about his job. I hardly ever see them anymore. I hardly ever see them anymore. She constantly checks her phone. She constantly checks her phone. I drink coffee from time to time. I drink coffee from time to time. He visits his parents once in a while. He visits his parents once in a while. He frequently travels for business. He frequently travels for business. They usually arrive on time. They usually arrive on time. I normally check my emails first thing in the morning. I normally check my emails first thing in the morning. I rarely talk to strangers. I rarely talk to strangers. She hardly ever stays out late. She hardly ever stays out late. He constantly interrupts me. He constantly interrupts me. We order pizza from time to time. We order pizza from time to time. Using never and ever. Repeat after me. He never talks about his ex. He never talks about his ex. I never eat fast food. I never eat fast food. We never go there anymore. We never go there anymore. She never misses a deadline. She never misses a deadline. He never listens to advice. He never listens to advice. Do you ever think about me? Do you ever think about me? Does she ever take a day off? Does she ever take a day off? Do they ever call you back? Do they ever call you back? Don't you ever say that again. Don't you ever say that again. Nothing ever changes around here. Nothing ever changes around here. Hardly anyone ever goes to that shop. Hardly anyone ever goes to that shop. I never drink alcohol before driving. I never drink alcohol before driving. Does it ever snow in your city? Does it ever snow in your city? We never argue about money. We never argue about money. always, never, and ever with the verb be. Repeat after me. He is always so nice to everyone. He is always so nice to everyone. They are always ready to help. They are always ready to help. I am always tired on Mondays. I am always tired on Mondays. She is always late for meetings. She is always late for meetings. They are always complaining about something. They are always complaining about something. I am never late for work. I am never late for work. She is never rude to customers. She is never rude to customers. They are never satisfied with the results. They are never satisfied with the results. They are never on time. They are never on time. Are you ever on time? Are you ever on time? Is she ever happy with anything? Is she ever happy with anything? Is it ever warm in this room? Is it ever warm in this room? Why are you always so angry? Why are you always so angry? Nothing is ever perfect. Nothing is ever perfect. That's it. Are you still here? Awesome. We've covered everything we planned. Great job. Are you feeling a bit tired? If so, that's great. It means your brain and your speaking muscles have had a proper workout and you are one step closer to fluent English. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.